Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Shawn's the name and YouTube's the game today. We're talking about the importance of engaging and commenting with other channels on the platform when it comes to YouTube. So as you know, I am a huge proponent and dude on YouTube growth, and that's why I've got my online courses and whatnot linked down below, but I just hit 25,000 students, so I figured let's celebrate a little bit with another YouTube video giving away some really great advice on how to actually grow your channel that not a lot of people do. In my opinion, this is one of the most underutilized techniques to growing your channel, and I'm a huge fan of it, and it's basically just commenting on videos. Okay, so I need you to promise to bear with me for this entire video because the things I'm going to be talking about are a little bit unorthodox and most people probably wouldn't admit to doing them, but it works, and if it works, I am here for it. So again, bear with me and I'm going to prove to you why this is so great with growing your channel. Okay, so what exactly do I mean and what exactly am I talking about today in regards to the comment section? I don't mean to go get tons of comments on your own videos, no. Today we're talking about not only how to, but how beneficial it can be to get the top comment on someone else's YouTube video. Remember, YouTube is a community. Your goal isn't to get a bunch of followers or subscribers or views or any of that stuff. Your goal is to build a community. For example, my channel that you're watching right now is focused on building a community of like-minded individuals who are into some of the topics that I usually post about, which is like YouTube, finance, entrepreneurship, etc. Basically, anyone who's trying to get ahead in life, those are my kinds of people that I want to build a community with. If I want to get ahead in life and you want to get ahead in life, we need to connect and hang out together, and that's what this channel's for. Again, my goal is to build a community, not a following. There is a massive difference. A community converses together, sharing common attitudes, interests, and goals. Whereas a following is a body of supporters or admirers, which is great, but I'm not God or like a politician who's trying to get people to rally to my cause. I'm trying to build a two-way street of communication, not a one-way street that all of these politicians and whatnot are saying, especially with the election coming up. A lot of these people are basically preaching and saying, I'm the leader, you listen, that's how it works. No, that's not the point of this channel, that's not the point of a community. Your opinion matters just as much as mine, and that's the goal of this channel. That's why I curate and create all of my content based on what people are commenting, tweeting at me, sharing with me on social media, all sorts of stuff like that. This channel is a community. It's not a following. Okay, so why does this all matter though? Well, there's other channels that are very similar to mine, so I think my audience and my community would really enjoy their content just as much as their community and their audience would enjoy my content. So, for example, if there's a creator that posts a video that's similar to the kind of stuff that I do, then I'm gonna go watch that video just to see their perspective and kind of give my feedback, but more importantly, comment on that video, and if what I have to say adds value or is positive or is entertaining in some way and other people end up liking my comment then starts going up and up and up and up and up, and more of that channel's community sees my name, sees my comment, and sees my channel. Now, I want to preference real quick, that doesn't necessarily mean that those people seeing my comments and my channel and everything is going to go subscribe to me and join my community. No, that's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is that they are going to see me, and it's going to kind of register my name and my picture and my channel in their mind subconsciously. So they might see it again in the form of one of my videos, or maybe another comment on that specific creator's channel. In some way or another, they're gonna eventually see my name, my picture, and my channel again, which will ultimately convert them into potentially joining my community. This entire concept is very similar to the world and kind of the science behind advertising, whereas on average, most people need to see at least 3 advertisements before they end up making a purchase of a product or a service. So if they're seeing my comments and my videos over and over and over again on YouTube, they're eventually gonna say, hey, this guy seems pretty cool. Like, I'm gonna go join his community and subscribe. That's kind of how it works, and it's really important to know that I'm not just commenting things like, hey guys, sub for sub, or go check out my channel, or hey, I've got similar content, come look at mine. No, I'm not saying things like that. I'm commenting things that actually relate and are either funny or helpful to other viewers, or anything that really adds value. Again, it's about engaging with like-minded individuals who share similar interests to you. I actually had one comment on a Dave Ramsey video. If you don't know who Dave Ramsey is, you're probably living under a rock. But I had a comment on one of his videos pretty much showing him why his math was a little bit wrong and why you actually can get some massive benefits out of credit cards. He's a big credit card Nazi, doesn't like credit cards, but I kind of made this really long comment breaking out the math as to why credit cards can be very beneficial. It got tons of likes. I think it was at like 4,000 likes before Dave Ramsey actually deleted it because, again, it was kind of contradicting his video, and he probably didn't want to see that on his channel. But it had about 4,000 likes before it was deleted. And I got tons of traffic on my channel from everyone going, wow, that's smart. That guy knows what he's talking about. Let me go check out his channel. So I added value and kind of showed a different perspective that could be beneficial to people who are watching that video. Top comments on other videos have really two great purposes. One, you're engaging with that creator and showing them that you appreciate the content they're making, which is phenomenal and in and of itself is amazing. And creators love that. But then two, you're also getting your name out there more without actually saying, hey, come check out my channel. People are just kind of understanding who you are, seeing your perspective, and then maybe if they agree with you, they might go subscribe to your own channel. But okay, enough talk. Let me show you that this actually works and can be incredibly valuable to the growth of your channel. Okay, so this one channel of many others that are out there has literally never posted a single YouTube video, yet they have almost 80,000 subscribers, all right? This user was pretty much able to do this by just engaging with the community on YouTube. And he's still super active engaging with his own community via the community tab, right? But again, there's 0 videos. He's never posted a single video on YouTube. And he doesn't have to. People relate to his comments and they want to be a part of what he's a part of. If he's commenting on other videos and he's cracking jokes or enjoying the community, then his community is going to want to take part in that as well. That is the power of commenting on other videos. It is so beneficial to the growth of your own channel and community. And it doesn't have to be something incredibly funny or incredibly thought out or this crazy matrix of text underneath someone's video. No, it could be something just positive. Hey, great video. You did a phenomenal job. I really like the way you did this. It's all about building up the community. But all right, so a lot of you are probably thinking, all right, Shawn, well, how necessarily do I get top comment? Here's a strategy that I've used to kind of make sure that I was top comment on a lot of these videos. A lot of people, again, wouldn't say they would do this, but if it works, I'm here for it. That's what you're here for. Let's do it. Let's do this. So back in the day, I used to comment on creators that I really looked up to and found tons of inspiration from. And I ultimately just wanted them to see my comment. I didn't care if other people liked it or other people came to my channels. No, I just wanted that creator to see my comment and to see my name. So what did I do? Well, I would pretty much comment on a video and then log into the other 7 YouTube accounts that I had, and I would like my own comment until it would kind of sift up through a lot of the other comments, and then I would just kind of hope that the creator would see it. Little embarrassing, but I actually stumbled upon a really great technique back in the day, and it kind of opened my mind up to how the comment section works on YouTube and why it works that way. So what I found out was YouTube comments aren't necessarily sorted by how many total likes that comment has. So you can look on YouTube and you can sort comments by the newest or by top comments. Now, it pretty much works like velocity. How many likes it's gotten in the X amount of time frame that it was pretty much commented on the video. So when I would comment on these videos and I would like it on 7 different accounts in 60 seconds, YouTube would go, holy smokes. This comment was just put up and a minute later it has 7 likes. This comment must be really good. We should rank it higher and higher. That would mean that for a brief moment in time, my comment was pretty much top comments on these videos because it was getting so many likes in such a short amount of time that it was outranking a lot of these other comments that had hundreds of likes, thousands of likes. Now, again, the longer that comment was out and that it didn't get likes, it would go lower and lower and lower. So the beauty of that is, once my comment was higher than a lot of the other ones, if other people agreed with my comment, they would like it, they would like it, they would like it. And I'm pretty much just like boosting my comment up and up and up until pretty much it was top comment and everyone really liked it and everyone kept liking it. And I just did this over and over and over again and pretty much just faked that initial like velocity to kind of trick the YouTube system into ranking it higher for other people to then see it and then go, oh yeah, I do like this comment. And then it just continues to snowball and rank higher and higher. Again, it's a little bit crazy and pretty unorthodox on YouTube, especially coming from someone like me who's pretty much by the book and doesn't really try to cheat or game the system. But if YouTube allows it, then it must be okay. And so I'd rather take advantage of it now while you still can. And I will say, if you've seen any of my credit videos, you'll see that this is tremendously an issue on YouTube when it comes to bots. You'll actually see the comment section of my videos just flooded with credit repair companies trying to sell a fake story to get you to visit their website and pretty much sign up and spend money. But it works, and if it works, I'm here for it. You should be here for it. So you should definitely take advantage of this strategy by getting your comment to be top comment on other videos because, again, it's going to get your channel and your community seen a lot more. And you should really have no excuse. Creating another YouTube channel is free. You can connect it to the same Gmail account that you have. I've got like 10 channels linked on one email, so it's very easy to do. You shouldn't have any excuses with it. And again, I highly recommend you take advantage of it because it'll help you out a ton. But either way, that's it. That's the video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. It is, again, something that is incredibly underutilized on YouTube. A lot of people don't realize how powerful the comment section can be on other people's videos, not just your own video. Because again, we're all here building a community of like-minded individuals. So go comment on a bunch of other videos, all right? Don't say the same thing over and over again, but just go get out there. Go get yourself involved in the community, okay? If other people see you're getting involved, you're going to end up growing your own community, and it's a pretty great snowball effect. So I highly recommend take advantage of that. If you did enjoy the video, I would appreciate if you could like it. Also, you now need to comment down below, get yourself seen and pretty much add some value. Again, even if it's something super simple as, I really liked the video, keep up the great work. Simple stuff like that works great. Otherwise, if you're new around here, please subscribe for more content like this. I'm always trying to release content that'll get you ahead of the rest. So again, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.